How to fix app block to protect your device. This usually happens when you download apps from external websites outside Google Play Store. Let me show you what you normally get, then I will show you how to fix. Please subscribe to this channel if you are new here. Now let's fix. Follow every steps in this video. Open the Google Play Store app. Tap on your email icon. Next is Play Protect. This is showing no harmful apps found. We have to turn this off. Click on the gear icon at the right-hand top. Turn this both options off. Turn off. Please subscribe, like and share this video. Successfully turned off. Now, let's go and confirm if this works. I'm going to my downloaded APK file. Thanks for watching. Check description for other videos.